So how about a cooking holiday in Bordeaux, in a farmhouse? A holiday cooking, you say? You've got to be joking. It's good fun. We've done it already in Italy last year. And we had 16 people in a fantastic villa. This is a lovely farmhouse in Bordeaux, in the wine area between Bordeaux and Bergerac, and it really is going to be superb. We're going to cook together all the meals. We're going to go and visit markets, open markets, of which there are plenty. We'll do a wine tour to a vineyard in Bordeaux and a river cruise on another day. We sit around the table, we drink local wines, we have a really lovely time. So it's not like doing a 7-hour stint at our cookery school, which is our normal thing. It's every day, we cook the meals and we just enjoy eating them and enjoy each other's company. And we'll cook what we feel like cooking. There has to be a structure, but actually a lot of it's ad hoc. So I have planned a menu of sorts, but to be honest with you, the foraging for food, which is what we're going to do at the markets and some supermarkets, because they're very good out there, is the point of it is that we forage and we go, there's a fabulous looking fish there on a market stall. Let's take it back home and cook it. So here's some of the food we planned. But as I said, we may be doing things off the cuff. What we will be doing is bread. Now, I profess not to be able to make proper baguettes, and I'm determined to get it right, because we're going to be in France. We'll be cooking some of the local Bazas beef, which is fabulous, not quite as good as the English, of course. We'll do seafood, what we can get. Of course, it's not by the coast, but they get lovely seafood in that area. We'll do gigot d'agneau, which is the lamb, leg of lamb, beautiful lamb out there, lots of garlic, gratin dauphinoise potatoes, magret de canard, which is the duck breast, which we'll be cooking. I don't know how we're going to do it yet, but we'll wait and see. And poule au pot, which is a terrific Bordeaux chicken, one-pot chicken dish. Really lovely. So lots of garlic, lots of meat and fish, some twice-baked soufflés, and lots more.